a memory. Oh,
That looks like a little tank, huh?
yeah. Look at, guys. It's so nice looking. Is it sticker? Sticker? No. Hello everyone. Good morning. So for today vlog is we're gonna unbox drone. Is it DJI drone?
It's a MINI2 drone.
Oh.
Maganda hapon.
Whoa, you speak Tagalog.
Claro.
So
let's see if they send us some concrete.
no, of course not.
Oh. The guy won't have even a sign from me. You just ask me my name and say yes, yes. That's funny. Here it is.
Just wait me.
And here's something else. I don't. MINI2 fly more combo together. But yeah, that's it. And that's it. What is this? Are you excited, baby?
Yeah, she is excited to see.
Oh, look this. Ain't that nice?
What is that?
Something like stickers. Oh yeah, you can stitch this. How is it working? Ordering it with a special warranty. And they sent the money. But on the bill there was nothing written about the warranty.
There's no warranty?
There is a normal warranty, but just if it's fly away or you just land in water or something like this, you can have a special warranty. To get a new drone for little money. Yeah. And if here is nothing written, I have to ask the DJI, hey, what's happening? And how is this opening? I don't know. It seems to be a bit waterproof pocket.
Easy.
Maybe. So I guess here we have the charge. No, oh, it's heavy. But that is what the people say. This DJI is really well produced and feel heavy and duty and not complete.
Why you bought a drone?
For what you need a drone? For haircut for the baby. You make 2 times in a month, you make haircut. You fix the baby to a coconut. And then we cut the hair of the baby.
So later, guys, we're gonna test a drone, and we're going to open field so that we can test if it's working or not. Question mark. So, but now he is looking if it's complete accessories. What you're looking? And they have They have warranty. Is it 1 year warranty?
No, it must be normally 2 years. Minimum.
2 years warranty.
Complete.
So don't forget to subscribe, likes and comment and share. Is it right? So you cannot see us because only my husband, because my baby is so yeah, you can see us. Wait. German. Yeah, look. Oh, she's dancing.
That's a mini. Oh, it's really light. 249 grams, so it's free to fly everywhere without license. That's the reason why so small. So we have everything. A nice pocket to carry it. 3 batteries, one should be inside.
It's 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty. We're gonna fly high later. Hey, Cosmos too. Hey, that's its warranty.
No, it's not the warranty. And then we have to buy, what is it in English? Speicherkarte. What is it?
Drone.
No, the English word for Speicherkarte.
The memory card.
Yes, memory card.
Okay, we cannot test it yet now because maybe after we're gonna buy first the memory card, so then the drone can fly. There is a memory. Oh,
That looks like a little tank, huh?
yeah. Let's look at, guys. It's so nice looking. Is it sticker? Sticker? No. Oh, with complete accessories. So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So we're gonna wait later that my husband gonna test the drone if it's working. And we're gonna use that to Philippines because we're gonna do proper vlog in there in Philippines because we have farm in there. And so please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell, then you will notify if we have new videos and updates, you know, to our farm. So soonest, it's not long anymore, 2 weeks. Dun, 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 dun. So what, baby, are you going to your home country? Oh. So you're gonna charge it first. DJI. I'm excited to see how it's look like, the videos, if it's already up there. So I'm so excited. So we'll see later, guys. So after we after we buy the memory card, because we need a memory card. It's not included. Oh, it's really nice. That one.
Yes. And I have to download some and get the, what else? Everything needed. And first reading and not.
So bye bye guys. So this is the mini DJI Mini 2. So we don't test yet because there is no memory card. The only thing not include is memory card. So he was ordering already online. So we're gonna pick up in Switzerland. We order also GoPro Hero 8 GoPro. So we're gonna pick up tomorrow there in Switzerland. So this one guys, so it's complete, that one. So that one, so we're gonna use that in Philippines. So stay tuned guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. So this is the bag that include, this is the bag, so they are safe. That one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog.